The Hole Wizard is a fast and easy-to-use tool that lets you add many different types of holes to your models. It can create simple, tapered, counterbored, countersunk, and tapped holes for both standard and customized sizes. One of the most intuitive aspects of the Hole Wizard is that you specify the size of the hole by the fastener that goes into it. In this example, the Hole Wizard will be used to create a couple different types of holes, and I'll demonstrate how to position them on a model. Here I have a model that I'd like to add a counterbored hole to. One of the nicest aspects of the Hole Wizard is that it automatically takes care of a majority of the sketching for you. All you need to do is add sketch points to locate the holes on the model, and the Hole Wizard will take care of the rest. I'll show you what I mean in just a moment. To begin, I'll launch the Hole Wizard from the Features toolbar of the Command Manager. When I do, the Hole Wizard Property Manager appears. There are two tabs here, one for the type and one for the positions. I'll begin by first defining the shape of the hole on the Type tab, and then selecting where the hole or holes are to be placed on the model using the Positions tab. Under the Hole Type section, I can select from several different types of holes, such as counterbore, countersink, hole, straight tap, tapered tap, legacy holes, counterbore slot, countersink slot, or a slot. For this example, I'll select the counterbore type. I'll set the standard to ANSI metric, and I'll set the type to hex screw. For the hole specifications, I'll set the size to M8 and set the end condition of through all. I'll leave the fit set to normal. You can click the Show Custom Sizing checkbox and customize the hole even further. And you can also adjust the clearance and countersink options at the bottom of the Property Manager, giving you full customization over the shape of the hole. Based on the hole type you select, you'll see different options here at the bottom of the Property Manager as well. For this example, I'll leave the defaults and click on the Positions tab to go about locating the hole. First, I'm asked to select a face where I want to place the hole. If I'd like to place holes on several different faces in this same feature, I could click the 3D Sketch button to do so. Just so you know, you can also place holes on planes and non-planar faces. For example, you can also create a hole on a cylindrical face. For this example, I just need a single hole on this top face, so I'll click on it in the Graphics area to select it. Now all that's left is to add sketch points to locate the hole. Each sketch point you add represents the center point of an instance of the hole, and you can add as many as you need in the same Hole Wizard feature. You can click anywhere on the face to create the sketch point, and then use dimensions and geometric relations to fully define the position of the hole like you would in any other sketch. But I'll save some time by taking advantage of the automatic relations that can be added in SOLIDWORKS. I'll wake up the center point of this upper arc by hovering my cursor over the outer edge, and then I'll click the center point to locate the hole there. And since I only want one hole on this face, I'll press Escape on the keyboard to exit the Sketch Point tool. Notice in the status bar that the sketch is fully defined due to the automatic relation that was added. When I click the green check, the Hole Wizard hole is created. If I expand the hole in the feature tree, notice that two sketches were created. A point sketch that defines the hole's position, and a second sketch that defines the shape of the hole. I don't recommend editing these sketches. Instead, if you need to make changes, edit the Hole Wizard feature and make the changes there. Let's go through one more quick example before wrapping up. This time I'll create two holes simultaneously using one feature. I'll launch the Hole Wizard feature. This will be a hole, and I'll set the standard to ANSI metric with the type set to drill size. I'll set the size to 7.0, and the end condition to through all. Next, I'll switch over to the Positions tab and select the side face to place the hole. I could place the holes anywhere on the face and then use dimensions and relations to fully define their positions, but since I'd like these holes to be positioned concentric with the circular edges, I'll save time by taking advantage of the automatic relations again, like I did with the counterbored hole. I'll hover my cursor over the edge to wake up the center point, and then click it to place the hole. And the through all end condition creates a hole going through both vertical tabs. When I click the green check, the holes are created.